While the rest of the market is panicking over this 28% drop in SoFi, I'm looking at one thing: the massive reversal signal that just flashed. CEO Anthony Noto just dropped $1 million of his own money to buy this dip, and the technicals are officially screaming oversold. So in today's video, we're doing a deep dive technical analysis as we're moving past the noise and looking at the key support levels, the RSI divergence, and why the current $18 floor could be the ultimate launchpad for a move back to $30. So if you're bullish on the future of fintech, you cannot afford to miss this level. So let's get into the charts. Now, before we dive into it, I just want to remind you guys of our Patreon membership, which is a 7-day free trial. And in this subscription, you get exclusive access to our Tickerflow AI app, which accesses full entry to AI-led trades and gives you alpha, as well to our top 3 high alpha trades of the week sent every single Sunday, which gives our subscribers immense returns. So here we have the overall daily chart of SoFi, and the reasoning as to why I believe this name is going to be seeing a significant upside over the next coming weeks is because of the following. So if we zoom out towards a weekly chart, look at the bigger trend, we see that the stock rallied from around $8 from the April lows all the way towards $30. That is a very big upside. And you can see here that we went from a overall bullish trend structure, and until this overall zone here in September, we started to see some heavy consolidation, right? So a lot of people started to sell the name, take some profit after seeing such an extensive move, and then buyers were slowly becoming less and less aggressive over time, and that's what triggered this massive downside move. And we even fell below important areas. We even fell below the tariff low. The buyers that came in on this exact date did not defend the name exactly, right? Because we had the $21 support zone, and we just sliced through it like butter. Now, what I really want to reiterate is that we are now closely in line with this anchored VWAP here, which is finding support at around $18.67. Exactly right here. Now, you may be asking yourself, well, what is this level? Well, if we plot an anchored VWAP from the last bid that we ultimately had, this very nice momentum towards the upside, where we rallied from $6 towards around $17 here in 2024. That is where we found support during the April low sell-offs, right? We found a lot of heavy buying, even though initially there wasn't that buying, but now we are seeing the exact same thing happen around here, which is why I believe that SoFi is going to see tremendous upside, right? And the bullish case scenario for SoFi would be something like this, right? So we probably shake out some buyers, right? Like that, form that higher high, higher low momentum, and then continue towards the upside, trap the people long here, and then we would initiate a position exactly here at the onset, the break of the trend structure, the downside trend structure, which is going to be the initiation of the upside, because we would have a higher low right here. This formation would give us an ideal stop loss entry exactly here around 18 bucks, or even if you want more risk, then you can move it to, towards the downside, maybe here, if you want to be more risk averse here. Now, particularly here, what I really like about SoFi is that not only are we seeing the selling volume kind of dissipate over the past couple of sessions, but if we look here, let's say towards the 30-minute chart, even though we are currently below the price action and below the 5-day moving average, which is this yellow line here on my chart that you guys can see, we have been seeing extensive bids, right? So just look at this volume that came in towards the end of the day here, Friday, March 13th of 2026 here. This is where buyers have been coming in at the end of the days. We can see this exactly on this date here, Wednesday, and then again, the most recent date here, right? So buyers are slowly, I believe, are starting to eat up this supply. Is starting to absorb this heavy downside selling that's been occurring on SoFi ever since those highs. And I believe that, the news with Anthony Noto, the CEO, purchasing $1 million worth of stock is really helping this name push up even higher, right? The financials are doing good. The company is slowly acquiring even more and more clients, which is what I really like about this name. Now, even looking towards a daily chart and looking at the RSI, we have officially bottomed out and we are slowly starting to form higher lows. What this tells me is that not only is the buying, increasing, but also these sellers are slowly starting to get away of their positions, right? So now this would be the ideal entry zone here for SoFi stock, and my price targets are going to be towards obviously the highs of around $32 on SoFi. I believe that we can, increase towards that level. That would be a very nice return of around 83%, especially if you buy at these overall discounted levels here on SoFi. And if we look towards a little bit of a longer term, I believe that SoFi can easily achieve $40. Now, if you don't believe me, this is what happened exactly last time on SoFi when the stock dropped on the tariff lows. We ultimately said that it would be an extensive buy here because it was discounted, simply looking at the overall RSI levels that were at pretty much lows, right? And then we didn't get oversold in towards like the, mid of July here in 2025, right? But that was a very nice move from $10 all the way towards that $32 zone. That's a very nice return. And this is again, this sell off is simply another opportunity to buy into a name that's been seeing growing financials, growing adoption, and a CEO that's been buying their shares, right? And that's very, very good news for the stock. So I will reiterate my bullishness. There's a buying opportunity. The first price target is going to be $32, and then second price target around $40 on SoFi. Overall, SoFi is still holding strong at the $18 support level. And with the RSI showing oversold conditions, the technical setup for a bullish reversal is primed. Now, between record deposit growth and aggressive insider buying from CEO Anthony Noto, the data suggests significant upside towards our overall price target. Now, are you buying this dip or waiting for a breakout? Let me know down in the comment sections below your targets, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video.